This short in seconds, say what matters. India's IT services firm Happiest Minds Technologies expects its generative AI, GenAI, business to reach a double-digit share of total revenue within 3 years, the company announced on 31st October. Currently contributing just 1.6% of its FY25 revenue, the management highlighted strong demand from clients across sectors, from ethics student onboarding to consumer goods inventory automation, for use cases involving automated content, coding, and image generation. The company said GenAI engagements now command a 20%-25% premium over its standard services, and it has identified 22 use cases amounting to roughly $50 million in sales potential. 5 of those are already live, including 3 projects valued above $1 million each. Analysts said that while the target is ambitious, the low base and rapid trend in AI spending give credibility. Earlier this month, peer HCL Technologies reported AI revenues of over $100 million, about 2.7% of its total sales. Happiest Minds' strong ramp-up is expected to benefit from India's broader focus on digital transformation and export of services. However, analysts caution that achieving double-digit share will require scale-up of delivery centers, availability of AI talent, and keeping execution risk low. For investors, this is a signal that mid-sized Indian IT firms are moving from legacy outsourcing into higher value, higher growth segments. Shares rose about 3% on the announcement. In the global context, as US and European clients increasingly source GenAI services out of India, companies that establish early leadership may gain market share. But they will also face pricing pressure and the need to differentiate. The development highlights the evolution of India's digital economy, moving from cost arbitrage to capability-driven growth. Source: Reuters. Think business, think BizShort. Tap to subscribe.